Lil Durk. You know, Lil Durk, no, his trial is finna come up. They preparing to get people in and out. You know what I'm saying? And he isn't really gonna, I don't think it's really looking too good for Lil Durk. But, they actually got a new judge for his trial, and I just want to present it to y'all. Yeah. Man, says Lil Durk's murder for hire case will be overseen by California's first openly LGBTQ federal judge. Now, I don't see nothing wrong with it. I mean, if you like being in the Duke shoot, hey, go ahead. It's your prerogative. I don't judge. No pun intended. But just for the nature of Lil Durk's trial, it's not gonna look good. I mean, I don't know how he's really gonna judge this. And I mean, it just all depends on the context of the trial. But this is right here. It's kind of shocking. It's kind of shocking. It says Lil Durk's federal murder for hire case will be presided over by the first openly LGBTQ federal judge ever appointed in California. The judge's historic appointment has sparked plenty of discussion online, but legally, the focus remains on the evidence presented in court, not the judge's personal background. Now, that's what I was just saying. Like, even though this man likes to be in the gooch, that has nothing to do with Lil Durk's trial. But I will say that does play a factor. That does play a factor, though. I mean, just saying. It says, do you think a judge's personal background ever influences how the public views of a high-profile case? It just all depends. Because I don't really know anything about this guy. Only thing I know is he's the first openly gay judge. And it just all depends on how the defense feels about that. How Lil Durk feel about it. I'm pretty sure Lil Durk is not gonna say anything in court to harass him. I mean, I don't think Lil Durk has anything against quote unquote the LGBT people. But it also says the federal judge presiding over Lil Durk's case, his name is Michael W. Fitzgerald in California, who is notable for being first openly LGBTQ person appointed in the federal bench in the state. Online discussions recently highlighted this biographical detail as his trial approaches. It says right here, blah blah blah. I already seen that. Judge Fitzgerald sided with Lil Durk's defense team by separating newly added racketeering charges from the core of the murder trial. So it was him. It was him that actually gave Lil Durk that W a few weeks ago. See there? The trial is supposed to be August 20th. So we have like a week. I don't even know if this is even going to be on TV, but if it's on TV, I will be covering it on this channel, on Black TV's channel. The judge, he also previously denied the $4.5 million bail package for the rapper, keeping him in custody in the proceedings. But like, look, that's fair. That's fair. For the magnitude of the trial, I'm gonna deny that shit too. I don't care if you give us 500 million. Like, you murder for hire. Let me explain something to you. Murder for hire is the highest charge in a federal prosecution trial. The highest. I'm telling you, the highest. And It's kind of wild though, man. But prayers to Lil Durk, man. Prayers to Lil Durk.